What is wrong with William Ruto? How do you wake up as a head of state and tell teachers that they are supposed to remit SHA and that they are supposed to be remitting housing levy? Na chama yako UDA owes SHA 69 million. UDA is not remitting. They are not paying housing levy for their staff. They are not paying SHA for their staff. And they are telling all of us to pay. Hii chama iko na kichwa mzuri. We need, it is everywhere in the news that for the last 3 years,
yes,
the ruling party, UDA, has not remitted money for SHA for their employees. They know SHA is so terrible that they, the ruling party, are not paying for their employees. They hate housing levy so much. As UDA, they are not remitting for their employees. Alafu wanakuja, I don't know what goes on in their heads because their heads are not working. Wanakuambia mimi na wewe na yule mwingine tulipe. If this thing was good, UDA would have been paying for its employees. Number 2, sisi tunataka kujua ile medical cover president anatumia. Sisi wote tuingie hiyo. You cannot be prescribing SHA for us and you're not using it. The president is not on SHA. Our governors are not on SHA. Our members of parliament are not on SHA. They are using a different medical cover. Kwani sisi ni second class human beings? Tutumie ile medical cover wataki. Either wote wakuje waingie SHA ama sisi wote tuingie hiyo yao.
I think the selling point was social health is that me and you can take those who can't afford.
Yes. Who can't afford? Who is affording theirs? We are paying hiyo ya MP. Hakuna MP analipanga medical cover yake na pesa yake, msidanganywe. Wanakuambia wana afford gani? These guys are poor. We pay them. All of us Kenyans pay those MPs. They are so poor. We are the ones who pay them. We pay for them that medical cover. Hii ujinga tulingia kwa kichwa ya kujiambia ati MP anajilipianga because akona pesa. Ni MP mgani akona pesa na analipwa na sisi? We cannot afford to continue paying a medical cover for members of parliament that we also cannot be able to afford. Either sisi wote tuingie kwa hiyo wabunge ama wote waingie kwa hii yetu. But hii upuzi ya kuja kuambua ati hiyo ni ya waheshimiwa, wanaweza afford. When did they start affording? They rely on us. We pay it for them. So sisi wote tuingie medical cover ya president. Ama president aingie medical cover yetu.